हमारे टीचर्स करते हैं, पर मैंने देख रखा है।
मे बी, पर क्वालिटी पर्पज से भी काफी मॉनिटरिंग रहती है तो।
Namaste everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing well, and as you guys will be able to tell from the very fancy and glittery background, this video is going to be about my birthday vlog. Now I don't know if this is really going to be a vlog because I never really have done vlogs on this channel, so I don't really know how to go about them, how to shoot them. I however will try to make this a full-fledged vlog. So the thought behind this video in the first place is to give you guys ideas about how you can decorate your spaces for any parties that you host at your home. It could be a birthday party, an anniversary party, or just any other kind of party. I will be showing you guys how I decorated this background, which you guys can't see fully as of now. So I'm going to zoom out in a while and will show you guys exactly step by step how I made this entire background all by myself, just in my PJs and my very shabby looking self. Also the outfit that you see here, I will also attach a clip of the same. The entire thing, the top and the skirt, both are from H&M. I also will be mentioning these products in my upcoming H&M haul. So if you guys want to purchase the exact same thing, I will be linking everything in the description of that video, which will be coming out next week. So stay tuned for that as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and are able to pick a few things here and there as to how you can decorate your room or your living spaces for parties. Just picking a few ideas scattered throughout the video. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment, bell button, connect with me on social media, and let's get started. So for those of you who don't know, my birthday was on the 17th of Feb, which was a Wednesday, and I planned the party on 20th, which is a Saturday, so my friends could attend. So I thought initially that the actual day of my birthday was going to be very, very basic, nothing fancy at all, but my mom and especially my sister had other plans. So I had no idea about what all she was going to do, and I was only asked by my mom to dress up by the evening. So it all started with my sister handing me a card with a clue written on it. It was basically a treasure hunt which required me to run around the house and hunt for clues. Some of the clues also had gifts stuck to them, so as I was going along, I was also collecting the gifts, and the treasure hunt eventually led me to the room where everyone had done all the decoration, and it had photos, balloons, the cake, and it was all so beautiful, so pretty. I wish I had more videos to share with you all, but it was all so impromptu, so pardon the shaky videos also. Then I cut, or rather smashed, the cake. We all danced a little. I opened my gifts, which were all so beautiful, so nice. Actually, the ring light that you see in the pictures is also a gift from my dad. It was easily, hands down, the best birthday surprise I could ever get. Also, for the outfit details, my bodysuit is from Zara. You'll find the link in my upcoming Zara haul video. Stay tuned. Skirt is an old one from Shein, and boots are from H&M. Link again in the upcoming H&M haul video, which is coming out next week. So this was the actual day of my birthday, celebrating with my family. Couldn't have asked for a better celebration, truly. And here are a few photos and videos for you guys. So like I said, since my birthday was on a weekday and I could not host a party because it was a weekday and none of my friends would have been able to attend, so I in fact decided to host the party on 20th, which is a Saturday, and I'm shooting this video on the exact same day of the party. So I'm going to work with this plain wall that you see here, and I'm going to make use of the entire wall to make a huge decoration. I had some leftover rope from my recent planter DIY video, so I decided to make use of it, and I'll tie it from point A to point B across the wall, making sure it's secured nicely at both ends. So the theme of my decor is rose gold and silver, and I've chosen a bed cover that goes really well with the theme as well. You can also choose to use a bed sheet if you like. Now I'll hang it across the rope and ensure the ends are evenly hanging, and I'll also tuck the center of the bed cover with the same rope above so it stays upright. Next, I have some foil curtains that are conventionally used as the main background, but I decided to instead put them on the side since I'd used the same curtains for my parents' anniversary decoration and I didn't want the same redundant decoration here also. So just going to unfold the foil curtains one by one and stick it using sellotape. You can, however, also use the double-sided tape that comes along with it for easier application. But remember that double-sided tapes are pretty strong and it might come off chipping away the paint on your wall. So I would advise you guys to stick to sellotape. So this is the base of the background that is ready, and I'll now use this happy birthday foil banner in rose gold color, and using the straws that come along with the pack, inflate each letter one by one. It's actually a really fun process. My sister was also helping me in the background, and watching each letter inflate itself is so satisfying, and in fact it's not even all that difficult to get them to inflate. It's super easy, really. For a little dramatic decoration, I'll be using some more of these foil balloons, which are massive. And these have 2 happy birthday balloons, 2 rose gold stars, and a huge champagne bottle. Next, I'm using these numbers in 24 and going to inflate them the same way as before. The 4, however, ended up looking like a 6 for some reason, but that's okay. I guess everyone anyway knew I was turning 24. And here's a very happy me holding up my age like it's my first birthday. So stringing the alphabets together one by one, I'll attach them to the safety pin I used to pin the corners of the bed cover. Spacing the alphabets accordingly, and again stringing the BIRTHDAY together and putting it up the same way. Now I had the happy anniversary banner from my parents' photo that I just showed you guys, and I very wisely picked out the individual letters of my name, ISHANYA, and I'll now hang them together at the bottom like this. This has to be one of the smartest hacks I've ever done. I'm so proud. So now just putting together the pieces one by one, I thought the champagne bottle would look really cool upside down, and I tilted it a bit by taping the letters B and I to the bottle itself. Next, the 24 went up to the right. I hung it using the same thread as the banner. Like I said, the 4 looked like a 6, I don't know why. Then to keep them sturdy such that the numbers didn't move, I used a tiny bit of sellotape and was good to go. Finally, the rose gold star had to go up, and then the happy birthday foil balloons. Keeping the symmetry at this point was a huge struggle, you guys. And finally, no party is complete without balloons. So playing by the rose gold and silver theme, I also have these in the same shade, and I'll outline the entire decoration for the final touch. And here's what it all looks like after coming together. It took me quite a while to complete, but guys, do I absolutely love this decoration. 100% worth the effort, and also the photos turned out to be absolutely bomb because of this decoration. I'll attach them later in the video, of course. So the next thing to do was to get dressed up quickly, so I rushed to curl my hair using my straightener. The results clearly don't show. My outfit is entirely from H&M. You'll find the details in next week's video. The footwear, however, is an old one. So anyway, soon after this, my friends started turning up. We ate, chatted, made fun of each other, and then we danced like crazy. It was so much fun, all of us together under the same roof. And special shout out to 2 of my friends who came all the way from Jaipur just to celebrate my birthday. Guys, if you're watching this, I love you and thank you. And I'm so grateful for my sister, mom and dad, my entire family for making this the best birthday there could ever be. My friends for being there, and now here are a few videos and photos finally from the day for you guys to enjoy. And that was it for this vlog, guys. I hope you enjoyed having a little sneak peek in my life. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, all of that good stuff. Don't forget to connect with me on social media, and I shall see you soon. Bye.